A ticking clock can stop working at any moment, leaving you in the dark about time. For centuries, people have relied on clocks to keep them on schedule and in sync with the world around them. But have you ever stopped to think about what makes a clock tick, or how to fix one when it stops? In this video, we'll explore the world of clock repair and maintenance, and provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to keep your clocks running smoothly. From simple adjustments to more complex repairs, we'll cover it all and show you how to fix common clock problems. Whether you're a seasoned clock enthusiast or a beginner looking to learn more, this video is for you. So let's get started and dive into the fascinating world of clock repair. Imagine a world without clocks, where time is measured by the position of the sun in the sky. This may seem like a far-off fantasy, but for many people, a working clock is a luxury they can't afford. In fact, according to the World Bank, over 1.6 billion people worldwide live without access to electricity, making it difficult for them to keep accurate time. But what happens when a clock stops working, and you're left with no way to tell the time? You can see the frustration and panic that sets in as you try to find a way to fix the clock or replace it. But before you throw your hands up in the air and give up, let's take a closer look at the inner workings of a clock and see what makes it tick. It's like a tiny machine, with gears and springs that work together in harmony to keep perfect time. The movement of a clock is a marvel of engineering, and one that has been perfected over centuries. But even with all its intricate parts, a clock can still break, and when it does, it can be a real challenge to fix. But that's not the strangest part. The real challenge is figuring out what's gone wrong and how to put it right. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack, searching for the tiny problem that's causing the clock to malfunction. But don't worry, we'll walk you through it step by step and show you how to diagnose and fix common clock problems. From loose screws to broken springs, we'll cover it all and give you the confidence to tackle even the toughest clock repairs.
And then something unexpected happened. A customer came in with a clock that had been passed down through generations of their family.
It was an unexpected, beautiful, old happened a clock, and they didn't know what to do. But when it stopped working, it was an unexpected, beautiful, old happened a clock, and the family was overjoyed. But we were able to fix the clock and return it to its former glory, and the family was overjoyed. As we worked on the clock, we discovered that it was a rare and valuable model, one that had been crafted by a master clockmaker. It was a real treasure, and one that deserved to be preserved and cared for. And that's exactly what we did. We restored the clock to its former beauty and returned it to its rightful owners. It was a truly satisfying experience, and one that reminded us of the importance of preserving our heritage and passing it down to future generations. So the next time your clock stops working, don't panic, take a deep breath, and remember that it's just a machine that can be fixed. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even try your hand at clock repair, using the tips and tricks we've shared with you in this video. Just remember to be patient and to take your time. Clock repair is a delicate art that requires precision and care. And join our community of clock enthusiasts. Practice and patience. You'll be a pro in no time, and you'll be able to fix even the most complex clock problems with ease. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel for more videos on clock repair and maintenance, and join our community of clock enthusiasts. And don't forget to like and comment below with your thoughts and questions. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on clock repair and maintenance.